Hello, everybody. I'm just doing some work today, and I helped my brother out with his business, Fear My Heart, and he is organising a worldwide lake cleanup, and that's happening on the 29th of June this month. So we've got 2 more weeks, and I've been helping him advertise that, gather people, um, all of his socials and everything like that. And I'm working on a countdown timer for him because for 2 weeks I'm really going to pump it for the next 2 weeks. And I thought, why don't I just jump on and record a video while I do it just in real time so that you guys can have a countdown timer whenever you want. Um, so we'll see how it goes. I think it's pretty easy, but all you need is Chat GPT and Canva. So I'm just going to share the screen. Give me 2 seconds. Don't mind my wet hair. I'm working at home and I was just like, oh, why not? Just jump on and do this. Uh, where are we? Share. Sorry. Sharing the screen now. All right. So hopefully you can see that now. Looks like you can. So this is in Canva. So you don't need to have I need to pay my Canva by the looks of that. You don't need to have the paid version if you don't want. Um, but you do need the Canva AI. So this is just in the home screen, and you'll have the top box here. This is where all the magic happens with the new Canva features. So you have design for me so that it can help you design. I don't really like that at the moment. I need to have better prompts, but you can create an image, you can draft a doc, but the one that I really like is code for me. And so you click that, have it in code for me. And then it says describe your idea and I'll code it for you. So what that means is that you can code a quiz, you can code a timer, a countdown timer, you can code a game. Um, Down here it says interactive pricing calculator that you can share with your clients, an interactive historical timeline, an interactive menu, flashcard game, a simple countdown timer, a digital birthday card that explodes with confetti. This is just some examples, so your imagination can run wild here. Um, I find that you need to put in a couple of prompts and get used to it, but there's so many things that you can do with this. But today we're just going to do a simple countdown timer, and so it has already given me create a visual striking countdown timer with contemporary design. Start with a minimalistic example featuring a 15-minute meditation timer. Rah rah rah. But I don't want this. But I just clicked countdown timer just to show you. But I'm just going to get rid of this. So what I want to do is go to Chat GPT, and I've already put in the prompt, so it didn't take you so long to sit here and listen to me write it out. But all I wrote is, can you please write me a description for Canva AI so that I can code a countdown timer for Fear My Heart worldwide cleanup? It's on the 29th of June, 2025, and today is the 19th of June, 2025. I want to keep it counting down so that, counting down so that the days and uh, counting down, the hell, I want it to keep counting down the days and also have the amount of lakes we have, and so that we can add the number of lakes to it also. At the moment, we have 30 out of 100 lakes, and the goal is 100. I would love it to have the colors dark navy, black, and white. So this is just a basic prompt to begin with. So we'll just click this. Thinking, thinking. Okay. Okay, it says paste this brief down below into Magic Design. Okay, so I'm just going to copy. It's even got the color numbers there, layout, functionality. Just going to copy that with the goal. Copy, go back to Canva, and then I'm just going to paste it in here. All right, and then I'm just going to press cross, submit. And this is what it comes up with. So now it just starts coding. Starts coding. What the actual fuck? So cool. And sometimes this takes a little while, but for a timer, it probably won't take that long. But I've done quizzes on this and it takes probably about 20 minutes to code. And then when it comes back, if you're not happy with it, then you go again with like more prompts on top of it, and it will keep on, you know, really like going into detail to what you want. Um, so yeah, I can't wait to show you because it's so cool what it does. But yeah, you can do invitations, you can do price lists. Like for business, like for someone to actually learn how to code takes years and years, and you have to be super freaking smart to do it. Like it's just mental. Okay, here we go. It's already done. That's how quick it was. So it's already gone. Lakes locked in, 30 out of 100. So that is crazy. Countdown to clean up 10 days until, well, what clean up. Um, Let me just go back here. Let me just, it says here, join the mission, comment lake to sign up link. But what I might do is add in the link there because you can do that as well. And see up here, it's got a little update. I'll just move my thing. Current lake's 30, but then I can go 31 and then update it. See, 32 out of 100. That's crazy. But here it's cut out heart here. And anyway, I'd probably put my own, the Fear My Heart logo there anyway. But what we might do, so this is version 1. So now we might just go, I want a countdown timer. Um, do we want the days or do we want count that timer in hours and days? Days and hours. And I would love it to link to the registration form. I'll put that in later. I just want to show you what it does. So this now I'm just updating it to change this a little bit. So now it's going back into coding. But it just really takes away like so much like time that it would take if you wanted to do this, a year ago, even like a few years ago, you would like to hire a coder would cost you thousands, and to code anything in your own style and own language takes forever. But if you want me to do another one on quizzes, because quizzes are a little bit more, yeah, you have to go through a couple of versions into it. But I can show you how to do a quiz because I've done a quiz for a few clients now, and I did one for myself for reality creation to find out where you are in reality creation. And I'll put the link for that in here as well, so you can have a look at it and see how cool it is. And if you want me to do another training on this, I can certainly do that as well. Okay, so now it's got countdown to clean up 10 days, 0 hours. I need to fix that up. But Lake's locked in, register now button, join the mission, comment Lake. You can add the extra lakes, got the registration URL, which I can change and then update in there. And I just got to fix up Fear My Heart here. But then what I do from there is embed that into their website or put it on their socials, whatever it is. Like you can do whatever you like. I'm just going to put a fix the Fear My Heart. Now I'm going to say take Fear My Heart away because I'm going to put the logo on there. log it off. And then what I might do is go back to chat and say, can you calculate the exact hours, exact days, hours, and minutes till the clean up in America, 9th of June, 25. It is, it starts at a.m. It is time 2:06 p.m. Thursday, the 19th June, 5 Australian time. Let's see. Poor Chatty Cathy, she has to do all these like kind of calculations because I don't want to. Okay. Calculating the time difference. Okay, okay, so then we've got 10 days, 9 hours and 54 minutes. So I'm just going to copy that. Go back to the back to Canva. Take the Fear My Heart logo off and add days, hours, and minutes. This is exactly how long it is. Paste. All right, let's see. See if we can get this a little bit more coding for you. I don't know how anyone codes. Whenever I see this, I'm like, wow. Like, who see the people that doing all the codes? It's crazy. But the one thing I haven't worked out yet is because in the quiz that I've got for reality creation, it has a place that you can get their name and email and everything. But I cannot for the life of me work out how to put that on my website and then that email go to MailChimp or go to Squarespace or go to wherever you need it to go. Cannot work that out. It's like driving me nuts. So let's see. Let's even put the hashtags in there. Everything. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. So I will help you as much as I can. And again, yeah, if you want me to do if you want me to do a whole video on the quiz for your own business, you can do that too. Here we go. All right, version 3. What do we got here? We got countdown to like cleanup, 10 days. Now, I wonder if this is going to move. Want the timer to count down in real time. Interactive. So we want it to be like clicking down. So it might need seconds, but anyway. To say here, I'll make the timer countdown in real time and more interactive that updates every second. Yeah, that's what we need. Says here, and you can adjust the time using the panel as well. And if anyone wants to clean up a lake on next Saturday or Sunday, you can do either day. Let me know and we'll register your lake near you. So I'm going to be doing probably Lake Conowari. So it's around the corner from me. Might be going into Melbourne, not sure yet because we'll be in Melbourne on Saturday. So we might do that, but either way, if you're cleaning up a lake, even if it's just a bag, um, heaps of prizes. He's got heaps. So he's got heaps of Yeti water bottles, heaps of just. He's got a kayak that he's giving away at in America. Won't be for Australia, but he's got heaps of sponsors. He's doing great. It's so cool, like someone just to have an idea. He's a real inspiration to me. Have an idea and then go, fuck it, I'm going to do it. And then now he's doing a worldwide lake cleanup. For the last past 2 years, he's just done it on his own in at his lake near him in America. And this year he's gone massive. So already he's got 30 lakes. So that's amazing. 30 lakes getting cleaned so far. Um, yeah, so now it's counting down the seconds. So that is cool. And then again, if you want to like fix up the colors, you just type in another, another prompt. And then if you wanted to change this part over, because it looks a little bit like too much here for me, um, I would just put in another prompt that's going to move this across. And then I'll just show you what happens. Like, say if I'm really happy with this design, I'll just move my camera. If I'm really happy with this design, then I go use this design and I go to website. And then you can go publish website. You can add. So, like, if I wanted to add the Fear My Heart logo, I can do that, which I will do. And then I'll just go preview. And then that's what it looks like on a website. Pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Oh, see, and this is good too because you can check on what it would look like on a mobile because most people look at their stuff on a mobile and that's going to be too much. So I need to go back and change that over. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. And then say if you're like, where is it? Where is it? Wait for me. Usually it has your past stuff that you've got. Ah, here we go. So you go back to this and you'd go back to this and you would go again. So then I'd say I want it mobile friendly because the side panel overlaps. And I also want the side panel um, down the bottom away from the timer. Anyway, I'll keep working on this and I'll show you the final product when it's finished. But give it a go. Have your GPT, have your Canva, um, give it a go with a timer or a quiz, whatever it is, but have a go. Have it. It's gonna stop sharing for now. But yeah, lovely to see you guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Any questions, put them down below. Bye.